that knows how, that knows what Stampin' Coin's about already, so that you don't have to train that side of things, but that could be taught to be that person to help you. And that you may not have that answer at this point.
I medium do have the answer. The question that I put in front of that is, what am I pulling that person away from?
Correct.
That they're doing for me now.
Absolutely. So that's where the pipeline. I'm all about pipeline. Believe me, I think it's really important to keep your pipeline always full, because you always need to you need to make sure that if something were to happen to Joe, someone has to be able to do Joe's job. Okay, dying isn't maybe that, but would quit. We'll go quit, or needs to be promoted. Someone needs to do Joe's job. So
right.
So if you have that person in mind, you're right. What are we taking away from that person, or can that person do both things?
So what needs to be done is you look and see, what are they producing for us now? How much money is that generating for the Stampin' Coin place? Then we need to look at, is sacrificing and pulling them away from generating, because right now it's pennies, and what are our, this becomes, now we're talking business, like what are our sales, what are those two producing for us? What have our sales been over the last month?